Do you know you can get a free token on Binance Launchpool? On this event on Binance, you'll be able to get free token while participating in this event. I'm going to show you the full process of this event in this video, and if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe to receive this real-time updates about crypto or any crypto tutorial about Binance or any other project. And once you log into your Binance account, come to this more and you will scroll down and navigate to where you will see launchpad, and you press this launchpad. You press the launchpad, it's going to bring you to this Binance launchpad, and you will be staking in this launch pool to get this meme coin. The name of this token you'll be getting in reward is meme coin, and the total reward for people who participate in this program or event is 1.3 billion of this token, and farming period is going to last for 30 days, and time until farming start is 3 hours 42 minutes 50 seconds. And the asset you'll be able to stake to get this free token is FDUSD pool. People who stake this token is going to receive 10% of total allocated rewards, and if you stake TUSD pool, you'll be receiving 10% of total allocated reward, and if you'll be staking BNB in this pool, you will receive 80% of total allocated reward. And here is the step: you need to have this asset in your spot wallet if you want to participate in this event. And I will test this with BNB. Press this BNB and come over here. Your available balance will show right here. Right now I have 0.001 BNB. That is not enough to stake, but I'm going to show you this. If you press stake, your balance will show over here, see available, and you press max or manually press amount of token you want to stake. Let's say for instance you want to stake 5 of this token of BNB. You just need to press stake, and it's going to stake right here. I don't have money to stake, yeah. And once you stake, you'll be able to redeem your stake over here. You will press this redeem, and it's going to redeem your token and ask you to press max or the amount of token you want to redeem. And once you've received some rewards, you'll be able to claim reward over here. To claim your reward, once you have reward to claim, this is going to show right here, and this amount of total lock BNB stake is 449,000 plus of BNB have been stake. And the same process goes to this TUSD pool, and just use this process. If you don't have this token in your account, you don't want to stake BNB, you want to use this stable coin, just come over here, press buy. It's going to take you to the market for you to be able to buy, and come back again to press stake. And remember to use this redeem button. It's going to ask you to press max or specific, and press the specific amount of token you want to redeem. And don't forget, you can claim your reward once you have a reward to claim over here. And that's mainly what you need to know about this event. And if you want to learn more about this, you just have to find this network, this meme coin website, and learn more about this. Make sure you do your own research. Take this as educational purpose, and know there is risk to reward investing in crypto. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell.